So we've already started harvesting hay and we're getting a great stretch of weather. So we're just going here.
During the summer, you got to have at least 3 good sunny days.
I think that'll work.
That'll work. Okay. We watch the weather. Perfect. Right where I want it. And then my father-in-law says, what do you guys want to do? And usually we say, no.
Had that 1 week of beautiful weather, but you can't tell anything from the forecast. My grandfather bought the place in 1905. Back in those days, the family always worked. The kids had chores to do.
When we're done work, we all show up, and Gramp does all the tractor work.
We've got about 1,000 bales in so far and hopefully another 1,500 or 2,000 this week.
I baled 1,100 bales at 83. That ain't bad. I'd like to be of some use. Keeps you going.
Generally, he's got a trailer or 2 ready for us, and we dive right into it. We all spend a lot of time with the upkeep around here, and Will and I work on the barn a lot.
Not many people have anything like it, and we do a lot of it together. Our Uncle Dean and Dad and Tom and I, we all really enjoy it.
Breathing the clean air and getting a good sweat. I think that what means the most to my grandfather is seeing his family all working together towards the same goal.
All his life, his dream has been he didn't want to see this farm get developed.
Grandsons and everything, they'll keep it going. Will's little 2-year-old can't wait to come up here. They love the farm.
The next generation is going to keep this farm open.
Going to need more before the winter's over, the way they're using it now. This would be good if it didn't rain on it. You want to make sure you catch a ride home, huh? Yeah.
I don't think he would be that upset if he had to stop haying tomorrow, but I think what would make him upset would be seeing the family not being one cohesive, working together unit.